there, right?
All right, good morning and welcome back to Rose Garden Elementary. We are with Ms. Pollock's 4th grade class and we are right smack dab in the middle of making our snowstorms in a jar. So we've got 3 of our ingredients already in our jar. We've got baby oil, we've got water, and we've also got some white paint. The white paint is what's gonna make it look like snow, right? Because our snowflakes are white. So we're in really good shape here. David is gonna show you guys exactly how things are gonna look the rest of the way. So he's got his water, he's got his paint in there. We can add some glitter. I'll give you guys some glitter, but I kind of want you to see how it's gonna go the rest of the way. So he's gonna then break up his Alka-Seltzer tablet into half or even quarter, so 1/4 pieces, and then start by just putting one in.
I don't get any glitter?
Yes, you can have some glitter. We'll let Mr. David have some glitter. Let's put you some.
I want some blue snow. Oh,
okay.
Awesome. Now I drop this in there, right?
Yes.
And then
so
I move. Put a lid on it?
It won't explode.
Oh.
So then you'll see.
Oh, see the bubbles going up?
Yeah.
Is that supposed to be like that?
Yes, so
Okay.
it'll push everything up and then it'll fall back down like snow. You guys see that? That looks cool.
See the little, see the little bubbles in there?
Yeah, the Alka-Seltzer is helping to make little bubbles that float up to the top of the jar, and then they fall down like snow, okay? So that's how it's gonna look the rest of the way. If you want a little bit of glitter, we have plenty of blue glitter. I have some white glitter too. If you don't want glitter, that's totally fine. So we'll start coming around. Mr. David will start over there. I'll start here, and tell me what you would like. Do you guys want some glitter or no? Let's do a little bit of glitter. You don't need very much. That's the good thing here. So we'll put that in. All right, you guys want to break your Alka-Seltzer tablet? And you can do that bigger piece if you want. And put it in. Yeah, put that jar on. And there you go. Your snow's already starting to fall. Look at that. That looks cool, huh? Here, let's do. You guys want some glitter? Yeah. Glitter makes everything a little better. All right. Oh, there you go. Your snowstorm is starting. Very good job. And this is really cool because it actually makes it look like the snow is falling from the top of the jar. I really like this. This is cool. And the snow, yeah. Good job, you guys. So the best part is once your snow stops falling, once it kind of slows down a little bit, you can put the second half of your tablet in there and it'll start all over. Okay? Cool. All right, so there you have it. We are just making snowstorms in a jar everywhere you look around here. This has been a lot of fun. David and I love visiting our area schools for Kaiti's Science Lab on the road. If you're a teacher, you'd like us to come to your classroom, email me. You can find my email address on ksat.com. And we'd love to come visit your classroom and do a fun activity like this. Back to you guys.
That's pretty neat. Thank you guys.